welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. I just have a quick list. It's a little bit more than 5, but it's a quick list of fragrances that I am very excited to wear for the fall season, but that are under $50. Yeah, you heard right, under $50. Again, I think that you all can wear anything as expensive or as less expensive. Just smell good, right? Feel good, smell good, look good, right? So I just wanted to compile a list of some things that maybe you don't want to spend $100, okay? So maybe $50 and under is just in your budget and price range in your world. Just wanted to give you a quick few suggestions that you might be able to rock for the fall season, and definitely ones that I am so excited to wear, all right? So let's get into it. 2 fragrances from a brand that is not new to my channel. I haven't talked about them in such a long time, but they are still amazing, and I'm talking about Dua fragrances. Honey, if you don't know Dua, you all need to get to know. Okay, so Dua has some inspired fragrances, some hybrid fragrances that they combine different notes and scents together, and they even have their own original Dua fragrances, right? They have so many different types of things, and I love these 2 for the fall. So this one is Amberlicious, and this one is Drowning in Caramel Cherry Delight. Oh, both are amazing fragrances. I would highly recommend, like, if you love a good caramel and you like cherry, but you love them together, Drowning in Caramel Cherry Delight is right up your alley. Oh my gosh, it's like Tom Ford Lost Cherry on steroids mixed with caramel. Like, it is so good. I would highly recommend. I have an older bottle. They probably have a new look, but it's still the same juice, because Dua, they change it up a lot, and I love them for that. And then we have Amberlicious. So if you like a good amber, but you like almost like replicas by the fireplace, if you love that fragrance, but you like a good, maybe you want it sweeter. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, maybe you love that fragrance, but wanted it a little bit sweeter. This is certainly your vibe, right? This is like the burning fireplace, but it is so sweet. You all know I don't like the burning trees through the forest and the woods and then cutting down. I don't like none of them. But but if it has like a woody scent but has a sweet note in it, then you're talking my jam. And this is so pretty, so good. Now, I don't know if you would get compliments on this, but like comfort, and just, it just gives you cozy vibes, which I just feel like is the fall. Like, this is amazing. Highly recommend both of these. There are so many different great ones on Dua that I haven't even, like, this is not even the top of the top, right? But go on Dua fragrances, check them out. If you're looking for a good fall scent that is under $50, that is your world, sis. And trust me, you will be satisfied. Okay, moving on. Next up, 2 Zara fragrances that I would recommend. Honey, the ever so popular Ebony Woods. Amazing. Okay, for the fall season, I mean, this is classy. I absolutely love it. And it has a new look. So, you know, don't be fooled. It has a new look, but it's still the same juice. I believe it's like $48, $49. It's just right on that cusp of the $50 budget. But this is a absolute great woody, but not too sweet. Oh, and you can smell it from here. It speaks so much. I can't wait. Okay, so it's not like your cupcake dream, but it is this sweet, woody, and very boss. Like, it even has a little bit of a boss vibe in it. Like, I do feel like she has her vibe, so I feel like those moments. But Ebony Woods, So good. Highly recommend. And then the other one I recommend from Zara, I've talked about. This is in the men's section. However, sis, you can wear this, okay? But this is the tobacco collection, and this is the rich, warm, and addictive, and that is what it is. It is so addictive. Like, it is amazing. So don't be fooled just because it's in the men's section. This is like, this is warm, but like scrumptious. Like if all tobaccos smelled like this, I would be in heaven. Like, I would be in heaven, but sometimes tobacco, go away. So I can't do it. But this tobacco, because of the sweet note, the warm, this is so good. And under that $50 budget, this lasts. So both of these from Zara fragrances, I would absolutely recommend for the fall season. Get your life and smell good, sis. Okay, moving on. Next up, another sweet fragrance that I would highly recommend. I normally talk about this in February and like the Valentine's Day season, but I'm gonna talk about her now because she can get it in the fall. Okay, and this is Lempicka. Okay, and this is from Sweet Lolita Lempicka, and this is the Sweet. Now, you can find this on, I think, like Fragrance Net at like $30, like a cheap, like, girl, get it. But I just got paid Friday. It just, I don't know. That was the song that was in my head. This is so good. This tastes like a cherry candy. Like cherry candy. I know people like, see, I don't like no cherry candy. They don't even sound like a good, like, cause candy sometimes give me gum drops or like cough drops, you know. Well, this doesn't give you cough drops, nor does it give you cherry syrup. It just gives you a good, sweet cherry candy. It's so good. And I understand, sis, like, you know, sometimes cherry scents do lean a little cough drop-ish, okay? A little, you know, medicine-y, a little medicine-ish. I get it. This, to me, like, is done so perfect and fits so well. And if you love a good cherry, you like a good sweet cherry, like, what are we talking about? This is so good, and it could pair with like vanilla. If you had a vanilla body butter, like a cherry fragrance, and you just want the sweet note to come out, you know, you could, that would be good. And ebony wood, so you get a little woods, get a little cherry, get the combine, get your combination season. So good, highly recommend. Okay, next up, we have from Finery, none other than, this is Sweet on the Outside, okay? Ooh, but she bad on the inside. Now listen, Linda. If you got a little date night, but you want to set a mood, you know, you don't want to come in all kissy girl, like you want to, you know, black, and you know, you want to be dominant, you know, just, if you want that vibe. You might not even want that vibe. But anyway, this is that vibe. This is dark, but sweet and playful, but like she gets you in that mood. This is a good one. So stop on by Target and go ahead and get you Finery. And again, this is the Sweet on the Outside. So again, if you like a good tobacco or like woodsy scent, but again, like for me, I gotta have something sweet. But if you don't mind a good sweet, woodsy type of note, okay, and the price is pricing, like definitely under, like just under $50, I think like 48, something like that. Really good. You might even be able to get it at a steal deal, okay? Amazing. Happy. I have this in my collection. I am so happy we're coming up on the season. I have so many songs in this video. So many made up songs. The only one that was right was Just Got Paid. Like everything else, like, okay, so I'm happy. Can you tell? I'm happy that it is fall. This is a very good fragrance. I would highly recommend. Finery. And again, I have to always read the words because I will mess it up. So sweet on the outside. All right. Moving on. Next up, I feel like my sis Chi Chi put me on this, and probably some other people. I don't know. It wasn't from me alone. I do know that. But Tusking, and this is Caramel Cascade. Now, I do love this. Oh, I do love her. But you have to love caramel. I don't know why you didn't think you was going to have to like caramel, right? Go with the flow. Caramel cat like this. And she lasts so well. So if you're looking for a good caramel, but something that, you know, doesn't give you immature, right? Because this is a Middle Eastern fragrance, but this doesn't give you immature in the caramel realm. Like, you know, there's like caramel skin, right? From Fleur. If you have that and pair it with this, nobody's gonna be able to tell you nothing. You'll just, oh, I'm throwing in some gems, okay? Even if you don't think there's some gems, like GEMS, like not the gem, like plain. Y'all know what I was talking about. But I'm throwing in some diamonds, okay? This would be amazing. Pairing with that, ooh. I still haven't gotten Fleur, the caramel skin. Still haven't gotten that. I need to get that. I don't know why I'm waiting. It's a little ridiculous. But now that fall is here, we definitely need to get that to pair with this. But this is a caramel bomb, okay? A caramel mature, but not like mature, but like not juvenile. You make it make sense. I'm just here giving you the vibes, and hopefully you're feeling them. But this is ultimately amazing. Highly recommend you get your hands on Caramel Cascade. So good, so good. 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay, moving on. And last but certainly not least, who doesn't like pineapple in the fall? Well, there's somebody that doesn't like pineapple in the fall, but honey, Ellie Saab, okay? And this is Girl of Now. This is Shine with the pineapple note, okay? Because we got, I believe this also has like kind of like a pistachio nutty, but if you like a nutty, but some fruit, and it's called pineapple, like you can, I think, get this at like $38, like this small. Oh, so good. And you all know, like I've been baby sitting. I just need to use this. That is the goal. This fall, I am going to use this beauty. That's what I'm going to do. I am concentrating on my now collection, and I am. We'll have to put on another tester. Actually, you know what? This is about to be my sin of the day because I'm gonna cheat on my tray. This is so good. Okay, so if you like a good nutty vanilla kind of caramel but pineapple, this is it. And again, did you hear the price? $38. Oh yeah. Hooking you up. You might even be able to find this at $34 at this point, right? Honey, get your life, okay? Well, that is all, family, for my recommendations that are $50 and under fragrances, okay? What do you have in your mighty collection, right? That might be under $50. We would love to know some of your thoughts and things that you would wear in the fall, okay? Under that price range. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.